Dressed in a brown, black, laser orange, and racer pink color scheme, this Air Jordan 1 is inspired by Japan's fast-paced capital city, featuring a suede build with leather appearing on the blue toe. Pink liner and branding tongue label, orange tongue atop a mint green midsole, and black rubber outsole completes the design. Look for the Air Jordan High OG BIOHACK to release September 4th at select retailers and the Nike sneakers app. The retail price tag is set at $170 US. Now, I am gonna go over Resell, places to cop this shoe, which I will be leaving links in the description below, places to enter raffles. But before we do that, let's just look over this shoe. Starting off, let's talk about the color scheme. This is a super loud colorway. I definitely think you can rock this in any season. I love the different colors, the different materials. You have suede outer lays, blue up in the toe section and brown in the heel section, black on the side with a gray Nike swoosh, and this orange tongue. Now, I love the tongue on this shoe, as that distressed look up at the top, has the Nike logo stitched in there. Now, the shoe does come with black laces. I'm not sure if it comes with any other laces. I do think some white laces would look good on this shoe. Maybe some neon colorways like a pink or like this yellow peach type color. They have a pink lining, blue insole with a pink Nike logo. Midsole is this mint green with a black solid outsole. Now, like I said, this shoe is dropping on the sneakers app, and I will be leaving more links in the description below, places to enter raffles, so make sure you guys check that out. Now, let's get into Resell. So retail, $170. Now, currently on StockX, the shoe is going for around $350 to $450, depending on the size. I see this shoe going for $275 to $400 after release. I'll definitely be going for it. Let me know what you guys think of this colorway. Very loud, very different. So drop your opinions in the comment section below. Again, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out.
I don't trust no one but a God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once, nigga. If I gotta go and make a move, best believe it's getting done, nigga. Best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. I don't trust no one but a God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once, nigga. If I gotta go and make a